Here we go, my new Jigsaw. It is filthy. You probably cannot tell from the video. Hey Ren. Hey buddy. What's up, Zoe? Hey. Yeah, I know. What the fuck's this big thing in your play area? Yeah, so it's pretty shitty outside. We've had a bunch of snow. There's shitload of salt on the road. It actually was a decent day where I could actually drive it, but there is, I don't know if you can see it. Look at it. Oh my God, look at that. Mud and salt all over it. The problem was I had to make a ramp to get it in my house. Look at all the mud. It's basically a mud because of all the snow melting, because it's been warm out. This thing looked pretty dope. Oh, it is already past 10 o'clock. I gotta get up at 5:30 in the morning, but I have to clean this puppy. There is no windscreen on it because I actually helped take it out of the crate. The windscreen and the triple treat bolt are the only things they actually put on. They have to attach the battery. They have to check all the signals, brake, directionals, all that shit. Then they have to wipe off the rotors with brake fluid. And basically, that's it. And then they take it on a test drive. I actually helped with all that, and I am the only person that has actually rode this bike.